Do you know if Miss Domage has had her baby yet?
We were just talking about it maybe before you jumped on, and I have not seen, I haven't checked emails for about an hour and a half, but I haven't seen anything. Usually they post it, as soon as someone here at the school gets word. So I have, since there's no word, she has not, or at least it has been communicated to the school to communicate to everybody else.
Sir, the day is still young, though.
Still got half the days left. Still got half the day. All right, so anybody wants to sing happy birthday to CJ?
That is not necessary. We can just go with class.
I'm just throwing it out there. No? Okay. Let's see here. I printed out the problems on Friday, and for some reason they got wings over the weekend. Not sure why. And I can't locate them on my spread of desks here. But she wanted us to work on Unit 3, Frequency 7, and Practice AP Exam A3. And from her notes here, she said that both of these deal with the chain rule and implicit differentiation, dy slant dx. So I was trying to pull up the Patrick JMT site. I use that sometimes as a reference and resource to educate myself and see how other people explain it. But for some reason that site's down, not sure why. But I
Corona.
flopped over to Khan Academy, and he's got a couple chain rule videos, which if you think it's necessary, I did not have a chance to, I started them, but I didn't have a chance because of the JMT issues. I didn't have a chance to watch but the first about 90 seconds. So they're out there if we want to go to those and watch them. If you think you've got a pretty good working knowledge and foundation of that, not necessary, I guess. And unless there's some other strong suggestions to do something differently, we can continue with what we've done the last couple of days, and I break you up into two breakout rooms or two groups to navigate either one or both the problems. Any interest or desire in watching the Khan videos? Would that be beneficial to you or not so much?
It's all on the cheat sheet that she sent us that we can use.
Right, got the cheat sheets, which like I said, I printed out, but I don't know where they got to over the weekend. They were here on my desk when I left. But I can print them out if I break you out into breakout rooms and get another copy here. So I'm looking for your guidance and recommendation. We got what, a week from tomorrow is the AP exam. So we only got today and Wednesday, and then next Monday possibly to work out any kinks or loose ends.
Do we have to go to class on the day we have an AP?
No, on a day you have an AP exam, you take the AP exam, and if you've got other classes that day, you don't have to go to any classes. From is my understanding. That's the word we got? That's kind of my interpretation. If you got
normally goes
like this morning or this afternoon, you don't have to go to any or possibly 2, 3, or 4 classes that day.
That means no Walker class. Yes.
Because they did send us out a schedule of everybody that's taking AP exams and when they're taking them. So let's see. Didn't say it's government. AP government. There's something in economics. Something was today. I'm looking. I don't see it. So I don't see anything scheduled for today. So with that being said, how do you guys want to utilize the next 45 minutes or so to your best advantage?
We can do the 2 groups again.
Okay. Any interest in the Khan videos or not so much? They are out there if you use them as a
Maybe
refresher or resource.
Maybe on your own time, watch them if you need it.
There you go. You can do that.
I agree with CJ.
Yes.
Since it's his birthday, I guess we all have to, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, guys. That means class is over. Have a good day. I'll see y'all later.
All right. So last week we were just doing the first four and second four in two groups. Do you want to continue with groups of four? Do you want to go groups of two? Do you want me to mix up the groups? You tell me.
I like the groups we've had.
Yeah.
Stay with it. That's how working good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Any last minute discussions or anything we need to convey to each other before I break you out? And then I'll check in with you a couple times during the next 30 minutes or so, and then we'll bring everybody back together the last 5 minutes.
Sounds good, sir.
Any comments? Maybe while I've got you in breakout rooms, I'll walk down to the front office, see if anybody's heard anything. In case I am behind the power curve on the notification. All right, so give me a second to Lizzie Gallagher. Let's see, Lizzie Gallagher. Who else we got in the first group? Lieberman and Griffith.
Society says, you know.
Yeah,
All
man.
right, I'm gonna break you out. All right, so here we go. Let's see, that's that one. All right. In a bit, here we go. Wait a second, it's not supposed to happen.
Sorry,
Hey,
is that
guys.
I guess when I sent you that message, it closed the breakout rooms. So let me open them back up. Let's see. There we go.
Hey.
Everybody doing all right?
Yes, sir.
Need anything from me?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, you got the keys, the answer keys there to check what you're doing, right?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, I'll leave you be.
Have a great day.
I'll pull you back in together with about 5 to go.
Alrighty.